big fish. Yeah. That is a big fish. How deep is this here, Mike?
5.5.
Perfect. Did you see this current break right here? Right up here. Never fished this side, but it looked good. It's like swirling water. Not forever. Is it? No.
That's like.
Don't pull Mike. Heard Mike's good at that.
There's a lot of those. I think the Calusi trip was the worst one ever.
A good old backflap.
Yeah, that thing looks so realistic. Huh?
I'm chumming. Coming to the mahi.
The Dorado.
Yeah. I hate braid. Ever get back with the braid?
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, the snaker. Ooh, that's a
Largemouth.
largemouth. That's a big largemouth. That's a big largie.
Fuck yeah. It's cool.
That's fucking sick. Get that on camera?
Yeah. It's probably my biggest largemouth ever.
Dorado.
Dude, this is huge.
Holy fucking shit. That's a big largemouth. Dude, that is massive.
Dude, that's PB right there, baby. Holy shit.
That's 7 pounds, every bit of it, right? You got a scale?
Do you?
I have a measuring tape.
No scale though.
I don't have a scale.
Oh, shit, man.
That's fucking huge.
Oh.
That's a big fit. You want to measure it?
Nah. I'd rather weigh it, but that's fine.
I don't have a scale.
It's cool. Big ol'.
Get that on top of it. Oh, you don't want it actually might be better than I think. You got a net?
Mm-hmm. On camera, brother.
Oh, yeah, it's cheaper. Oh, yeah. Swing him.
Oh, got caught.
Hold on. You can go over there. That's a keeper.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, this is the spot, Dave. This is the start of the spot. Oh, he choked.
You got that one snag to the right. Pay attention to. If you want, I can do this for you.
You want to measure him for me?
Yeah.
I think he's like 19, but he's close. But I think he's. That's fine. He's probably 18 or 20.
Oh, yeah. It's 20 something.
You and Ryan. Huh? I caught a fish here. Oh, yeah.
20.
He's like 20 inches.
That was as big as the one I think I had to
Do you
the
mind
boat.
slitting him?
You want me to? Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Just.
Oh, it's bigger than Tanner's.
Oh, that's a nice. I got 2 hooks in him. So.
Oh, nice. I bet you that was the one that bumped me.
Probably. That's a nice one, dude. Nice. Thank you for letting me cast there, guys.
You're welcome.
I had never fished this area.
Can't even see your face. It's alright. Go again. One more.
Like every stretch of every.
Assault bass.
How big is it? Yeah.
Those fish are pretty big. That was a pretty big fish.
Hit a big flat.
Huge
This
flat.
is right where you caught yours, right, Dave?
I was way down there.
Were you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
I got hit.
Other side of the river.
Other side of the river. I got hit a few times though. Yeah. Felt small, but I still got hit. This is where I hooked that tree.
Tree pounder.
Yeah, the tree pounder.
Dude, your voice changed again.
It's this spot. This is where your voice changed.
Ooh, I just got smoked.
Right? I got smoked too.
Ah, me too.
You're not even in the water.
I
got hit. Fuck, it's good. Now my voice is changing. What's in the air here?
got nothing on the. Yeah,
It's just like you.
Right? Just a little jab at it.
yeah. Could be even at just a little right now.
Well, at least they're trying to eat lure.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a big fish. Yeah. That is a big fish.
Oh yeah. I saw it. It's definitely a striper.
It looks big.
It was definitely a striper.
I saw him from afar.
Dude, he bent the
Slammed it.
rod in half.
He might be bigger than I thought. Then.
The way he was fighting, he's big.
It's the biggest one today.
I think so.
Oh yeah, Dave.
Nice.
Big Daddy Dave with another striper.
Ooh, he's fat, dude. He's fat, dude.
Strong.
Fatty.
Oh yeah.
Come up.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
That thing's fucking nice. Yes, sir.
Nice.
That's a tank.
It's a tank.
That's a tank.
Tank and a half. Holy.
Put that up for the fellers at home.
That is a tank.
Thumbnail.
Boy. Oh, you got promoted, dude. You got a thumbnail.
I thought I wasn't handsome enough.
You just gotta put your mask on. Oh yeah.
How big you think that is? 26, 27?
Yeah, yeah. He smoked it, dude.
Oh yeah, Dave.
Nice.
Were you reeling slow or fast?
Slow. Yeah. Super slow.
I think that's my deal.
Because I got that 5-0 to 1, and I was like barely moving.
Put it up one more time when you have it out of net.
Yeah.
Let's put that on the board.
You gonna keep it or toss it back?
I'll keep it.
There's pliers in my bag, I think. If not, by
Yeah, he's like stuck right in the tongue. There, got him.
there you go. Nice.
Fatty.
Nice little fish.
Oh yeah, dude.
See him over there.
You?
Yeah, he's done.
Yep, got one.
Oh, he's got. Mike's got one.
Pike minnow.
There's a pike minnow.
He executed himself.
I did get one. Pike minnow. God damn it.
Right where he should.
Oh, there's the other one. Look at that.
He'll get gulped by something.